Okay, now that we have some understanding of continuity, let us start doing some miscellaneous questions regarding this. Remember, a function f is said to be continuous at x is equals to c if two conditions hold. That if you take the limit at c from the left, it must equal to the limit at c to the right, and also one more condition, f of c. So if all of those are equal, then we can say that our function is continuous. Now let us look at this. So for what value or values of a is f of x continuous at x is equals to a? So now with this question, we are working with the assumption that continuity already does exist. So let us check how we would do this. So we know that for this particular question to be continuous, right? For this question to be continuous, we know that f of a must equals to the limit as you go to a from the left. So as you bump into the left, this is the equation that we'll bump into, which is 2x plus 1. If you want to take that limit, you can put it in brackets or you can do whatever you want with it. And this must equal to the limit as you bump into a from the right. And the equation will inevitably bump to on the right is the equation x squared minus 4x plus 10. So that's how we would do this. So already we know for continuity, this is exactly what needs to happen. So with this inequality, we can see it's less and it's also the same. So this means that we can now come and substitute a by taking the limit there, which will be the same as f of a. So we have situations where we've got 2a plus 1. And because this will be the same for this limit as well, so we can write it as 2a plus 1 as well. This must equals to now a squared minus 4x plus 10. 4a, wherever we find x, we substitute a. So you can clearly see that it's the same statement. So essentially, we're trying to solve for a where this now holds true. Okay, so in us trying to solve for a now, this becomes a squared minus 6a. If we take that across, that becomes plus 9, which is equals to 0. And if we essentially solve for a is therefore equals to 3. So therefore, what this means is that in order for this function to be continuous, a has got to be 3. I hope this makes sense. We will do more miscellaneous questions of this type in the next video.